Tnat Pulit jong Jylla Meghalaya haka sithok ding jong tayo kala Plie ya ka drone control center haka Thanad Mawlai. Kaban long kejaka ban penya ya ki drone ne ki ko ring dur na sun ban pen klan ya ka kom pahra bat ka jing sentiat ya ka jing long jing man jong ka sukasan haka imlang salang kham tam habadon kanu kanu jing ya ki ne kinu kinu jing ja ki bakta ya ka sukasan.
Yaganega Drone Control Center la Pledo Director General ki Pulit ke Jylla R Chandranathan haga jingdan rangkat ikong ai nongrang Additional Director General ki Pulit ke SP ke East Khasi Hills ikong Claudia Lengwa bat kiwe ki Pulit ke Jylla. Haganega center la bo ya borok ki drone naduk ki barit haduk ki bahaya rangkat bat ki monitor bat kiwe ki jingdan kam ban penher kini ki kor sentiat nalor ki Pulit ki bala pentebet ila dia haga jing penher kini ki kor. Habakran ke jingilang Director General ki Pulit ulong baka jingdon jong ke center kalong kumsi benta ban penklan ko rukom trekam jong ki Pulit bat ansa bu ru yakum ke center hatura bat haki weki benta jong ke Jylla. Ulong baleng ba kini ki drone ki ban penher halor sun on la ban penon kam haki kam boper kam tam haga ban pet ban kmi ke jing dheng kali ke jingi ki ba penthot ke imlang salang bat ki weki. Director General ki Pulit ulakentu ya ki Pulit ke benang samla bagi dia ban pentebet LD ki kam bedai berkerukam pendan kami kini ki kor kat kum kejing ya jong kejok kenang bagan long kejing mentoya ke Jylla.
We also plan to take it to other parts of the state. For instance, Tura is our second priority. And once we are able to establish a credible capability as far as law enforcement using the drones is concerned, we'll come to the second step, which is access control and using it for traffic management, both enforcement and regulation. And lastly will be our most important task. We have to see that, I'll urge all the youngsters here, technology is very important in this century. We can't stay away from technology. The last and the most important aspect would be how to integrate it to our dial and track, so that it plays a meaningful role in prevention and detection of crime. And I'm very sure, with the kind of efforts which has gone into this endeavor, we'll be able to achieve all the other two major objectives also in the days to come.